Why are there all these programming languages? Couldn't we just settle for one language and be grateful? Actually, that's a smart question, coming from a smart person. Look, it's pretty simple. Just like there are many different types of cars, with different models, features, and capabilities, the same thing applies to programming. Each language is made for a specific purpose. Not all tasks can be done using the same language. Back in the day, people used very difficult programming languages like machine code and assembly languages. These were complex, and not everyone could use them. But then easier languages appeared, like Fortran and COBOL. They allowed people to focus on solving problems, instead of dealing with the complexity of the hardware. And as technology evolved, the needs of programming kept growing and changing. For example, if you're working on web development, you'll need HTML and CSS. If you want to manage databases, you need SQL. There are other languages like Haskell that focus on mathematics and functions. These are useful for complex scientific tasks. There are also very fast languages like C and C++ that give you control over hardware, but they're a bit harder to learn. And then there are easier languages like Python that let you write code quickly, even if the performance isn't the strongest. Also, keep in mind there are old programs still running on old languages, and we can't just abandon them. We need to maintain and improve them. On top of all that, new languages are emerging every day, like Swift and Rust, aiming to solve problems found in older languages. What really keeps these languages alive and spreading is the community behind them. Programmers themselves help develop and improve them. So, the diversity of programming languages isn't a problem, it's a sign of progress, creativity, and freedom in the programming world. The right language serves the right purpose, nothing more, nothing less.